April 14th, 2020, about 10:30 a.m. We are in Pattaya Beach, Thailand. This is the second day of the Songkran Celebration. I have detected a major change in the culture. There are no water guns in sight and nobody is throwing any water. And another major change I noticed. Why are all these Chinese style kites floating around Thailand? The throwing of water was a fantastic stress reliever for many of the local Thai people, and the foreign residents would get together and have a good time throwing water. Now I know the religious people say you only sprinkle the water and sprinkle the powder, but the general public used to throw buckets of water at each other, and this would help to relieve the stress. Today, Pattaya Beach is nothing more than a boring beach. There are plenty of great tips still to come, so don't miss out. Like and subscribe.